So, good day, everyone. My name is Jessamine P. Antazo, and in this video, I will demonstrate how SQL injections works on the Altoro virtual website and explain its impact on web security. So, before we start, let's quickly go over what SQL injection is. SQL injection is a web security vulnerabilities that allows attackers to manipulate a website's database by inserting malicious SQL queries into input fields such as login forms. This can lead to unauthorized access, data leads, and even database modification. So now let's get started with our demonstration. So let's see the tornado. So sign in. So let's try logging in with normal credentials. First is the admin. And for this admin. So, yun, nakalog, nakalog in successful siya kasi tama yung credentials niya. So, try naman natin sign off. And mag-sign in na kakaibang credentials. So, or plus 1. Then, try natin siyang login. So, hindi siya basta-basta. Kailangan muna natin lagyan siya ng password. So, try natin. So, yun. So, itong website na to is, madali lang siyang mapasok kasi mali yung pagpapagawas code niya. So, try natin sign off and then, may ginawa akong simple login form kanina. So, try natin siyang subukan dito sa kakaibang credential. So, admin, and then, so, yan. So, try natin yan. Login. So, valid credentials. So, hindi basta-basta mapapasukan ng vulnerabilities yung website na ginawa ko. So, yun lang. This video, explain ko lang ito. Itong tulay na nandito is what is called a SQL command indicator. So, it is used to comment out the rest of an SQL statement, making the database ignore anything that follows. And the single quote hindi nyo makita pero may single quote dyan. In SQL, injection is called string delimits or escape character. So, yun lang.